The hashtag that I pick is humanity above all. There's no belief or status that we can have this through respect. We have to respect each other because that's the main purpose of our life, being a human being. So, if you have the character with the humanity, you can express yourselves without fear and judgment. That's all. Thank you.
All children are privileged to have education, regardless of their status, their backgrounds. So as a queen of Miss Galo 2026 and as an advocate of education, I suggest or I pursue that education or I suggest that all the children here in our community should have the better education. Because children that have an education can lead to a greater life. And education is a one thing that they cannot take away from us. Thank you.
Leadership is not just only about making decisions. It's also about listening, understanding, and caring for others. Ang totoong pagiging leader ay hindi na nababase sa kung ano ang ipinapakita niya, kundi sa kung ano ang nasa loob niya. Dahil ang totoong leader ay hindi ginagawa kung ano lamang ang kailangan. Ginagawa dapat kung ano ang nararapat. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Okay. Number 9. Empower every voice.
Empower every voice. I want to stand here in the stage. I would like to give a voice to those children who are watching here tonight that in the future here tonight, please and over there na nanonood dito at nakikita, ang hinihingi ko lamang sa inyong lahat ay konting respeto at
Hashtag number 10 is
mapagtanggap at inclusive future or mapagtanggap na hinahanap. Nowadays, nahihilimta ang LGBT na pinagdidirihan. To say na we're only human being. Parehas kita
together.
lahat naman tayo na hashtag Together for Change. Lahat naman tayo naghihintay ng nag-umingi ng panibagong tsansa sa mga ating nagagawang kasalanan, lahat-lahat. Lalo na yung mga masasamang tao na nakakulong. Marami doon ang ang gustong magbago. Lahat naman tayo gustong magbago. Gusto natin humingi ng panibagong pag-asa sa nagawa natin ang kasalanan. Kaya naman sa lahat ng humingi ng kapatawaran at hinihingan nila, sana naman bigyan sila ng tsansa para magbago sila. Thank you.
Word number 6 is safe spaces for all.
Safe spaces for all. Para sa akin, ang safe spaces
ay pinakamahalaga para sa akin. Unang-una, karamihan sa mga tao manghuhusga dahil sa katawan na kahit maliit yung katawan, pinagkakamalan sila at may sakit like HIV or something. Pero para sa akin, nag-aware naman po kami sa mga safe, like mga pwedeng gamitin para maging safe yung sarili natin, di ba? Kahit sino naman. At yan lamang po at maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much. Break the stigma.
Hashtag break the stigma. Alam naman natin lahat is kailangan na natin lutasin ang problema sa tulad na lang sa pagkakalat ng HIV and of course the discrimination to all the LGBTQIA+ community. And tapusin na natin ang pagiging diskriminasyon sa mga LGBTQIA and LGBTQIA+ community, and of course iwasan ang pagkalat ng maling impormasyon. Thank you so much.
Digital responsibility.
Responsibility, therefore, respectfully, iwasan po ang pagkalat ng sa internet para maiwasan ang digital responsibility. Thank you.